morning, welcome back to Crypto Rally. It is March 21st, 2026. I'm going to have a look at Bitcoin and the Oink chart for this weekend. So looking at the hourly chart for Bitcoin, see from the top of the current rally we had to the bottom of where we came down and bounced. I was looking for a pullback maybe into the 618, this red zone. So we did pull back in here. And then I said we'll bounce up to the green zone. So this is where I got the 618 from the top of this move to the bottom, 618. And then you reverse the fib. So reversing the fib. And then you're going to move this up to where we bounced from. And I said, hey, if we got from this bounce point, if we got out of this red zone, we'll be heading to this green zone between the 786, 618. So we're in that, currently in that zone. If we break out this zone from here, we'll come up between here, the 1236 and the 1.618. So that'd be my target up to this zone for more consolidation or pullback and then higher. We'd have to take it level by level once we get there, if we get there. So now we're struggling in this green zone, looking at the RSIs. The hourly is coming down on the stock RSI. 4 hour is at the top. So maybe we're a little bit bullish, hit to this green zone, then come back down, or we're just gonna start coming back down now. I don't know. Daily, we're still coming down, trying to curl. RSI still below the signal level here. So still coming down, so we could come back down and consolidate a little bit more. So going back to the hourly. So let me go ahead and get rid of this green zone. I guess we can keep the green zone here, but we want to start looking for maybe if we have a pullback. So we're going to just go from the top of this move right here. Top of this move here. Need to reverse the fib. So we're gonna look for lower targets. RSIs. So the top of this current move down to the bottom of the bounce here. We're gonna start looking. We're already trying to stay at the 236, trying to bounce off of that, stay bullish, which we could stay above it, and just consolidate higher or lower, depending. We have to get the RSIs down further, but take it level by level. So I'll be targeting on this move right here between the 618, 786 right here. So not quite as low. Higher low, stay on this trend, if this is a trend. I don't really look at trends too much, but here, right here, so we come down, break through this level, and then bounce higher. But this hourly chart, hourly trend, fall through, might be bearish coming down, but like again, level by level, don't know what it's gonna do. So now we're hit above this 236. And say we do only come down to the 786, so you're gonna reverse the fib just for looking for higher targets. So it just all depends on where the bounce is. So if it comes down here, the targets would be up in this move here, so maybe not as high, just depends. Here, its targets get lower. But right now, my targets are from this bounce from here. So if we do have a pullback, this is the level I'm looking for a bounce higher. Bounce and go up higher. Hopefully to these levels up here. Just gotta watch it. Anyways, that's Bitcoin, not financial advice. I'm gonna switch over to Oink. Here's Oink. Oink is currently staying in this, I guess, pig pen. trough, pig trough. Basically, you can see accumulation higher, accumulate higher. We're accumulating in this level. If we do get hungry, we need to come down to bake it for some bacon. This is the levels I'll be looking for, the lower end. Not sure how deep or if it's even come down in here, but it's really not doing anything. It's consolidating, staying in these levels. Let's see here. Let's have a trend here. Top. And I'm looking at the 4-hour chart. So right here. Wait. So might be coming decision pretty soon. 20 seconds. So tomorrow, if we stay on this trend, either maybe come up above or come down to one of these levels down here. For now, it's not really doing anything. Depends on what Bitcoin. If Bitcoin wants higher, most likely the altcoins are going to want higher. But this is also mascot coin, so it can do whatever it wants when it wants. So we'll see. I'll leave this here. Thanks for watching. Again, not financial advice. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful weekend.